You have been hearing about making money online for a long time. Congratulations, because you too are about to start making between $100 and $1,000 or even more within the next 24 hours. All you have to do is to copy and paste the 5-step process I'm about to share with you in this video, and you will start making money online in a matter of days, if not hours. Maybe you still don't believe me, then watch this video. Now, let's make some money with the power of AI using these 100% free AI tools. Step number 1. Open your Chrome browser and in the search bar type in Google Trends. Now, Google Trends is a free Google tool that tells us the most popular topics people are discussing online and on social media in any country of our choice. This is going to be our first secret because Google is letting us know what people are most interested in and we want to cash in on that. Here I'll select trending now. Here you can choose your country of choice, but I will choose the United States for this video. So as you can see, these are presently the most trending news going around online today. But here I would like to select the top trending news, which in this case is Jeffrey Epstein list. You might also want to go with the most trending news, which is always the best. And if not, you can pick the other ones below that you think will resonate better with you. Sometimes you might want to choose topics that has the likelihood to be more evergreen in the list. But sincerely, I prefer the one on the very top. So I'll copy this news title. So just like that, we are done with the step number 1, which is to identify a trending topics in Google Trends. Let's go over to step number 2. To the next step, the next thing I want to do now is to go to Chat GPT. So I will open my Chat GPT. If you don't have a Chat GPT account, just go to openai.com and sign up for a free account. So here I am in Chat GPT. Just in case your ChatGPT dashboard doesn't look like mine, that will be because I have enhanced the functionality of my ChatGPT with another free AI tool. This tool helped me with thousands of pre-built ChatGPT prompts, what we call the one-click prompt. You can watch the video currently displayed on your screen where I share how to install this free Chrome extension. So once you have installed the extension, just come and click this article prompt here. Then I'll copy and paste the topic I just got from Google Trends in step 1 here, and I will click here. So let's wait to see what ChatGPT is giving us. Just try to make sure you get a great article from ChatGPT for your own topic. So now that we have identified a really trending topic in step 1 and we have used ChatGPT to develop a great article in step 2, you might want to ask, how do I make money from all of this? Relax, because this is where we are about to get to in step 3. But just before that, please, if you have watched this video to this point, I would really appreciate if you can give this video a like, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to make money from digital marketing, either as an individual or business owner. So in step 3, we will be using another free Google tool from our Gmail account. I hope I won't be wrong to assume that you already have a Gmail account. If you don't, just quickly open one. It's easy. If you have one already, which I assume you do already, then just in your browser type in sites.google.com. I will also leave the link in the video description. Sites.google.com is another free tool by Google that allows you to quickly build a simple web page that you can publish, and it will work just like any other website. It's free and you don't need to have any web design skill to get used to this free tool. So here you can use any of these templates, but I'll go with a blank template here. Now, here at the page title, go back to ChatGPT and copy the title of the article we just generated. Click inside this placeholder and delete this text. Then paste the title in here. Okay, this looks too large, so let's do a little formatting. So I will widen this. I'll come here and here I will click custom spacing. For the line, I will use 0.8. Here I will reduce this to 0 and also 0 here. Okay, this looks good now, and then I will select the old title text. I'll come in here and change my font color to white. Good. Here I will make sure that my cover type is in banner format. Okay, I guess this title looks good now. So again, I will return to ChatGPT and copy the body of my article. Again, I will come here under my title and double click this blank canvas, and this option will pop up. Then I will click the TT, which stands for test. Once this opens up, I will paste in the article text I just copied from ChatGPT again. Okay, I guess this looks good at this point. I can do some basic formatting, but we really don't want to waste too much time here. This already looks good for me. The only thing that is probably missing here is that there are no images in this article. And that you should be able to fix depending on the topic you have chosen. You can easily get stock or free images from sites like Pexels. Just make sure that you don't use images that you are not permitted to use. So I would not like to spend so much time dwelling on that since it's an easy issue for you to fix. But let me just show you how to add images to your article in Google Sites. So I will come to pexels.com. I'll search for a keyword that is related to my article. Let me use legal here. Okay, I will choose this image, download. Then I will come back to my page. I will create a little space for my image here. I'll come to this sidebar, and since it's just one picture I want to add here, I will choose this and just drag and drop here. I don't want any text around my video, so I'll delete all of this. Then I will click the plus sign and choose my image from my computer. It's that simple. So the next thing I want to do is to give this page a title. So I will come here and I just paste in Jeffrey Epstein list here. Okay, we have completed the step 3, so let's go over to step 4 now. And this is actually the most important step of this video, which is how to make money with this setup that we have just made. Now, there are several ways to monetize this idea, but I believe that CPA marketing is the easiest way to start making money in 6 hours or less. Once you do this setup and you complete it and you follow the steps that I'm showing you. Now, CPA marketing is an easier form of affiliate marketing where you make commission when you refer anyone to perform simple tasks. Unlike affiliate marketing that requires your referrals to buy products or services, CPA marketing doesn't ask you to sell anything. When anyone takes simple actions such as signing up for a program, submitting their details, taking surveys, and other simple tasks, you will make money from those actions. And really, there are several CPA marketing platforms such as CPA Lead, CPA Grip, and several others, but I will be using CPA Lead for this demonstration. Just go over to cpalead.com and I will sign in. As you can see here, there are various offers for us to promote. Here are the amount you will be paid for each of the offers. Now, this might seem like little money, but when you consider the fact that CPA marketing is a game of numbers, and I will show you how to get huge traffic to your offers, then you will begin to make good amounts in no time when the numbers begin to add up. So, if you don't already have a CPA account, just come back here, then sign up here as a publisher. And here in the dashboard, come over to the filter here. Here I want to target only US offers because I went for only US audience when I was doing my research on Google Trends. So here I will select the United States. So I'm only left with United States offers on my list. Usually I love to use the surveys kind of offers, so I'll click on this and I'll preview it. Okay, here is a good one that says earn reward by answering awesome surveys, and I think this is a good one. So I'll just come here and copy my affiliate link. But before I use it, I'll come back here and copy this caption. Then I'll go back to my article page on Google site and I'll paste it in. Okay, this appears too large, so I will come here and reduce the font size. Okay, I think this is fine now, so I'll return to my CPA affiliate link and copy it again. Then I'll come back to my article page. I will highlight my text. I'll click this hyperlink icon and then paste my affiliate link that I just copied. Cool. So again, I will copy this text and paste it within my articles at different points within this article. The idea here is that as people read up my articles, they will not miss this information that I'm giving to them. But of course, not everyone that reads this article will click, but I guarantee that a lot of visitors will do so, as you will soon see. So once they do, they will be redirected to this landing page, and once they take action, then you will be paid $0.58. And of course, if you feel like you can choose offers with bigger pay. Now, this might look small, but just wait until 10, 20, 50 persons perform the actions by taking the interesting surveys that this offer is asking them to do. And even when you replicate this method on other offers, your pay will begin to build up. And that is the idea here. So you'll be making enough money in no time. Remember, you are doing this work just once. So once everything is set, then I will come in here and publish this article so it can be live online. And here is the link that we are going to be using. Actually, you can customize this link, but since it will cost you something little and we want to keep this method completely free, let's use it the way it is, and when you start making money, then you can start customizing it if you want to. So we are almost done now. Let's move on to step 5. So now to the final step of this video, which is equally very important, in fact maybe more important than step number 4. The reason is because if after all your hard work, if nobody gets to see your article, then the whole effort is going to be a total waste of time. So let me share with you 2 easy ways by which you can get thousands and thousands of traffic to see your articles every day. I mean, this is because it is when they see your articles that they can click your CPA link, and then your actions will be completed and you will get paid. And the first place you can get huge amounts of free traffic is on Quora. Now, this is not a Quora tutorial, but basically Quora boasts over 751 million active readers online every month. All you have to do is to sign up if you don't already have an account, and once you are in, just come over to the search bar here and paste the title of your article here. I will paste in Jeffrey Epstein list, and then I'll search. I'll select questions, and as you can see, this is already a trending topic and a lot of persons are asking questions and showing interest in this topic. All you need to do is to read these questions people are asking, try to provide short answers depending on the article topic, and then ask them to go read up the whole article. Of course, you will have to paste your article link in the answer that you are giving. Make sure that you don't paste only the article link, but just provide a little bit of information and content alongside. Now, ChatGPT will effectively do that for you if you seem not to know anything about the topic. I guarantee that by the time you answer 2 to 6 questions or more every day, you will be amazed how your articles will get found by people and people will start clicking on your CPA link. In fact, if you are serious on Quora, this might just be the only web traffic source that you need to start making some decent amount of money. And the second free traffic source to articles like this is, of course, YouTube. Now, once a topic is trending, you should expect a lot of persons and content creators to create videos about such topics on YouTube, right? So I will just come over to YouTube, and again I'll search for my article topic. What I want to do here is to target videos with potentials for high views. So once you find a few of such videos, just come over to the comment section and paste in something similar to what you did on Quora. You will be amazed how people read your comment, and why not, quite a good number will also check up on your articles from that comment. So you have to paste in your article link in the comment section also. Just to show you that this works, you can look at this video. It's just about a day old, and as you can see the number of likes that these comments are getting. Remember that it's just a fraction of people who read a post that will like it. So this one with 207 likes already got over 1,000 read in just one day. Now this is how powerful this method of getting traffic can be, and so many people ignore these free ways to get traffic to their website. So there are several other ways to get traffic, but sincerely these 2 that I just shared are super effective and too easy for you to stress yourself over, and they are free, and especially on YouTube most people don't even consider this. So go ahead, make sure you pick a good topic and set this up very well following the 5-step process I have shared with you in this video, and I promise you that you will start making money in less than 24 hours if you follow through. Feel free to rinse and repeat this same make money online style with other topics, and you will be amazed how easy it is for you to start making some good money this year. If you got value from this video, please make sure you give it a like, and if you want to see more ways to make money with digital marketing, then subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so you get to know when I release new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.